Hey loves, in today's video I am trying out the Magic Collection True Artist Palette as well as the Izme Matte Lipstick. I use these two products to create this super simple pink glitter eye makeup look. I purchased the Magic Collection True Artist Pink Color Variation Palette from the beauty supply store for $4. I am starting off this makeup look by highlighting my brow bone with the Wet n Wild Single Shadow in the shade Brulee using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Now, using my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease Brush, I am applying this deep pink shadow directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. As a base for my glitter, I am applying this shimmery shadow all over my lid with the AOA E113. The formulation of these shadows is amazing. They are so easy to blend and the pigmentation is very good. These colors are so pretty. For my brow bone highlight, I am applying the Rimmel Magnif'eyes Single Shadow in the shade Dip in Gold using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I am blending that highlight into my crease shadow with the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. To save time, I applied the listed products off camera. Going back to the shade I used in my crease, I am bringing it along my lower lash line with the Energy 111. I am lining my waterline with the Nicka Black Eye Pencil. To complete my eye makeup, I am highlighting my inner corner with this foiled rose gold shade using my Coastal Scents Classic Detail Pointed Brush. A tip for applying foiled shadows is to always apply them wet. I didn't here and I ended up having to redo it. Keeping with the pink theme, I am now applying this bright pink blush from the Ruby Kisses Daring Dare Blusher Palette with the e.l.f. Essential Blush Brush. This pretty rose gold highlighter is from the brand In Studio Cosmetics. It is in the shade Rose Glow and I am applying it with my Energy 110. It is perfect for precise application. And to complete this pink makeup look, I am now applying the Izme New York Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Freya. I purchased this from the beauty supply store for $4. This lipstick has a very thin, comfortable, and pigmented formula. However, this color in particular applied pretty patchy, so I had to go over it several times to make it even. Here's the completed look. I really like how this makeup came out. I will list all of the products that I used down below in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's makeup look, and until next time, bye loves!